Have you ever thought about your options between the Auto Connect and NON-AutoConnect decks on these 1025Rs and 1023 tractors? I'm going to tell you the differences and why I chose the less common option. Look at any of the sales literature for the 1 Series. You'll see how John Deere touts the Auto Connect deck. It's a really good system, it's fairly well proven at this point, and in my opinion it leaps and bounds ahead of the competitors. There are some situations though when the Auto Connect deck might not be the best option for you. John Deere's Auto Connect system makes attaching and unattaching the mid-mount mower deck a breeze. And if you've seen any of the videos from John Deere and even other YouTubers, you'll know how quickly it goes on and off. Like I said, I chose the non-Auto Connect deck. And the difference is all in the linkage you see here. So why wouldn't you want an Auto Connect deck, just like I did? The reason has to do with front attachments. Not the loader, but the blower, the broom. If you follow my channel, you'll know that most of my usage is not with the mid-mount mower deck. It's with my front attachments. I have very little grass to mow here. This is the extent of the grass that I own. I got the deck just because I'd rather buy it now than have to buy it in the future if I move to a place with a bigger yard. This deck is 2 years old, probably has less than an hour on it. If mowing with the mid-mount mower is not your primary task, you might want to consider not getting the Auto Connect. The reason is that there's additional cost, approximately $200 to $250 more for the Auto Connect. Not a big difference, but you'll actually save time by not having it when you're constantly moving between front attachments and mid attachments. I've been hooking up mid-mount decks without Auto Connect my whole life, so to me it really wasn't a big deal. It was more the fact that I needed the ability to switch between this and my front attachments more quickly. When you want to move between a mid-mount deck and go into your front attachments with a PTO driven implement like a snowblower or a broom, you need to take off the Auto Connect portion. It's not really saving me any time by having that stuff under there when I need to switch between the front attachments that require that to be off. But not having Quick Connect really isn't that big of a deal. I'm going to show you the process of what it's like to take the mower off without it. So here we are under the tractor on the left side. There's the PTO shaft. We just need to manually uncouple the collar, pull the shaft off, and we're just going to put it to the side. Next, under here on the back of the deck, this hanger, we're just going to pull that lever up, and you'll notice that's what's going to allow the deck to detach from the tractor when I back up the tractor. So was that so bad? Not at all. So I think by that you can see how easy this is to disconnect even without the Auto Connect system. And it's just as easy to put back on. You just do it in reverse.